Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yaya and this is Y's channel. Today we're gonna do something a little bit different. Instead of like doing a video of just like me talking to my friends and stuff about work and like hanging out, I'm going to attempt to do a crafting video. We shall see how this goes. I have an Instagram and a Facebook page, and I like crafting and like drawing and stuff like that. It just makes me feel happy, right? And I have been debating or not whether I was gonna do this video, but you know, like, it's 2018, why not? Like, if it's bad, it's bad. If it's good, it's good. I hope you like it. It's gonna be a super cute nerdy canvas with a little DNA sign, and it's gonna be gorgeous, gorgeous gold and white. So the first thing we're gonna wanna do to be able to make our canvas is we have to paint this gold, because how is gold glitter gonna look on a white background? You're gonna see the holes and stuff like that. We wanna make it gold so it's beautiful and it's sparkly, and hopefully make something good enough to sell. You never know. Alright guys, so I went outside in my patio and we are going to use some spray adhesive here. Alright. Let's like rub that out. We don't want any like clumps or anything. Kind of get that more smooth. Alright. Put another good layer. And we are going to get our gold glitter and same process for the white. Looks good. That's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna take our glue gun and just like make sure you get everywhere on the edges, because there's glitter on it. You have to keep in mind that this isn't exactly on the canvas. You're like gluing it to this glitter first, right? So just keep that in mind. And I think I have it on straight. What do you guys think?